Thanks for your interest in a Zook Cabin's home. We look forward to helping make your dream cabin a reality. This video checklist was prepared to help you better understand what's required when it's time to deliver your cabin. Let's start with the actual cabin site. Driveway gravel. The access drive must be well packed and graveled to provide access for our trucks and the crane. This is very important as a poorly graveled drive can force us to reschedule your installation. Tree and obstruction removal. Your house modules will be about 14 feet tall when on the truck and up to 16 feet wide. Trees and other obstructions need to be moved or cut back. We normally require 4 feet extra width on straight sections and need enough room to get the modules around the corners. Next, the cabin foundation. The foundation walls must be constructed. You may use cinder block, poured concrete, precast, or insulated concrete forms. The steel I-beam. The center of the home where the two modules are joined must be supported. On homes with full basements, this is usually accomplished with a steel I-beam running the length of the home. We also suggest that the I-beam supplier punch any needed holes prior to delivery. Central supports. The center line of the home must be supported by posts. With a steel I-beam, only 2 or 3 posts are required. For applications without a steel I-beam, supports need to be placed at regular 5-foot to 8-foot intervals. Crawl space applications typically use 16-inch by 16-inch block piers. Sill plates. Pressure-treated sill plates must be installed on top of your foundation walls and I-beam. Central block piers are used for a crawl space. The sill plate must be a minimum of 2 by 6 inches, but we recommend a plate approximately the width of the wall. It's important that there are no fasteners protruding above the sill plate. We recommend using Simpson MAB23 straps rather than traditional anchor bolts. If you are using precast walls, you can attach your plates with carriage bolts with the rounded bolt head on top. The concrete basement floor. The basement floor should be poured before the home is set. This is required with precast walls, as the floor serves as a structural component. Backfill. Foundations should be backfilled for the safety of our crew. The cabin porch or deck. Porch or deck footers. These support posts need concrete footers beneath frost level. To avoid any wood in the ground, we suggest block piers or sonotubes to the level of your final grade. A post base is needed to attach the wooden support post to the concrete footers. Porch or deck wooden piers and girders. Everything below the floor joists is your responsibility. Pressure-treated posts, as well as a girder that is notched into the front of these posts, shall be installed before your home is delivered. Typically, the top of the pier and girder system is the same height as the top of the foundation sill plates. Finally, cabin set day. Special equipment. For some locations, we may require excavation equipment or an on-site operator in the event that the trucks or crane need assistance. The scheduling and cost would be your responsibility if the driveway or site is insufficient. That's it. With these simple steps, you're on your way to a wonderful new Zook Cabin's home. It's our goal to make your new home a memorable, happy experience. So we invite your call or email if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks again for your interest in Zook Cabins.